Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to hide your birthday date on Twitter from Twitter or X account. So you can see this is the Twitter. Then you have to click here the profile and then click edit profile and scroll down. Then here you'll see the option edit. Simply click edit and again click edit. Then you can see it's visible. Then you have to click here month. Once you click only you, then it will be hidden from your friend or any others, like year or a month and date. So you can use like you follow each other, people you follow, your followers. So you can choose it, and after that click the save. Then your date of birth and year will be hidden from the public. So, friend, it is normal, and see you in the next video.